We are discussing about an Outlook. What is an Outlook? First of all, what is Outlook? Then I will tell a other story. It is a Microsoft. First of all, important one is it is a mail client application. Mail client application. We are accessing emails through web browser, right? I'm accessing my emails through my Gmail account, right? I have a, I think I closed that one. So I'm accessing my Gmail through my web browser. So I'm accessing what are the mails I got it. So I can access my mails through my Outlook also. So you can, I will show you. Okay. See, I can see my what are the mails I can able to access. But different mail ID it is. I don't mixing it. Okay, it's a mail client application. It is a part of Microsoft Office. So what is Office suite contains like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and some few more things we can get it. Okay, like a OneNote. Okay, Access. Okay, OneNote, Access, Digest. Okay, so this is 2 points I am telling. What is this mail client, mail kind of concept, guys? So first of all, I will try to explain something which is for you this point. Okay. So last batch I unable to explain because lack of time. That's why first only I started with Outlook. How mail communication happens and how we are retrieving a mails and what protocols we are using. Okay, so this is my mail server. Think like this. This is my mail server. Okay, that is my mail server. So what is this mail server contains? Mailboxes. So I'm telling only 2 points. So it contains mailboxes. What is this? Mailboxes contains user mails. What is this? Mailboxes contains users mails. So user mail stores in the user mailboxes. For example, I have a user one mailbox it is. User one mailbox it is. User 2 mailbox, user 3 mailbox. What it contains? Mails of that particular user. Okay. This mail server also having a special agent is there that is called MTA, mail transfer agent, is looking after how to transfer the mails from client to server, server to client kind of. Okay, I will remove this part. Okay. The first one is I have a user one, okay, and I have a user two. So this concept is user one send mail to user two. To whom I am sending? User two. Okay. So I compose the mail. So I compose the mail. So this is my mail. Mail to user two. That much is not required. Mail. I compose the mail. This is my mail. Think like this is the mail one. So mail will be go to your mail server. To send a mail, they use a protocol, SMTP protocol. Okay, SMTP protocol means it will tell where is your SMTP outgoing mail server. Means you are sending a mail with SMTP protocol. Your mail server understand someone is sending a mail. This thing is understood by your mail transport agent. Okay, is the guy who is not a person, it's a service. Understand to whom mail is sending. The mail is received up to mail server only. Okay, so mail is sent, mail came up to mail server, but this mail is forward to user 2. So this mail 1 is going to store in the user 2 mailbox because user 2 is a recipient. User 2 mailbox. So now where is my mail? In the user 2 mailbox. Just for our purpose, we are expanding this size. So once this, where is the mail? The mail 1 in the in this mailbox now. So mail sent. Guys, understand this first step?
Yes, sir.
Now, user 2 trying to access what are the mails he got it. Trying to access what are the mails he got it. So user 2 send a request to the mail server. He's sending a request to the mail server with a protocol IMAP version 4 or
Sir, Captain, sir. Hello.
POP3. Okay, you can use either a MAP protocol or a POP3 protocol and asking your mail server, I want my mails. I want to get my mails. What are 1 second. Okay, guys, I send a request to the mail server. I want to retrieve a mail from my mailbox. So user 2, so mail server will understand what is your request. Okay, what is your request is to retrieve your content in the mailbox. What is the content in your mailbox? Is a mails are there. So you can, the mail server will give you the mailbox content. Okay, so this is what I am trying to say. Okay, so you will receive the mailbox content kind of stuff. So I got a arrow mark. Where is the arrow mark? So this is where. They receive this mail here. So this is how you will send and how you will receive a mail. So this mailbox you will be able to see here. Okay, so what are the things we are using? We are using a protocols, right? And there is a mail server and there is a mail client. Client means the client applications can be a web browser or it can be a Outlook kind of applications. To send a mail, we use SMTP protocol. To retrieve a mail, we use a POP3 or a IMEP version 4. So I will tell the differences. Just try to understand what it is. Guys, understand the story? All are stories only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's okay. Now, if you don't get it also, it's not a big deal. But try. Okay, it is maybe in our future it is very useful. When in a future, if you are working on an Office 365 Exchange or maybe Exchange to servers, Microsoft Exchange servers or any Zimbra mail kind of any mail service support or this Domino servers, this technique, small information is also very useful. So we are already discussed what is the server and services. What is mail server will do? It provide a mail services. Okay, mail services. So client access and mailbox roles, and of course there is a one more role is there. Just I am telling. To make it more simplification. Okay, so client mail server provide a mail services to send a mail. People who are sending a mails take a mail and return the mail kind of stuff. All these things. Storing a mails and all. Guys, different mail servers are there from Microsoft Exchange mail server. From Office 365 means Business Edition, you will get a Exchange also. Zimbra mail services, SquirrelMail, Dovecot, Postfix, like this, different type of mail services, mail servers are available in market. Okay. Here I said separately, what is this? Earlier days, IBM has their own mail server application and mail client application. That is called a Domino mail server and Lotus Notes as a mail client application. This one taken by HCL now, it is HCL Domino server and HCL Note as a client application. Okay, that's why I said separately. So do not think like sir said mail server means exchange, but here they are using Lotus Note. So what is the difference? HCL has acquired this mail server application is Domino and mail client application as a HCL mode. Okay, that's the point I'm trying to say. So without a server, there is no access, right? So in this diagram, I told SMTP protocol, POP3 protocol kind of stuff. What is this SMTP protocols and POP3 protocol? What is the use and what is their differences? I need some one space. Guys, we use a protocol SMTP protocol, POP3 protocol, and IMAP version protocols. SMTP, when you are sending a mail, you have to send a mail with the protocol SMTP. So then server understand you are sending a mail and it will check your to address and from address and it will send to the from address. It will store the mail to that to address, not from address, to address. Okay. So by default, the port number is of SMTP is 25. Okay, POP3 is a port number is 110. It is used to retrieve the mails. Means you send a request from client, you will send a request. Server will understand you want to retrieve the mails. Means you want to read your mails. You want to check your mails. You want to download your mails like that. Okay. IMAP version 4. This is also same as POP3. It is used to retrieve the mails. And also when you are configuring Outlook like an applications, you have to configure POP3 server as an incoming server, SMTP server address as a outgoing mail server address. Okay, maybe it is some little confusion. What is this additional port numbers? Why I'm writing these additional port numbers? These are the base port numbers, guys. Just I'm trying to explain HTTP and HTTPS. Already I told, but again, once again, I will tell. HTTP protocol, the data you are transmitting through network means through HTTP. Like you open a website, you're sending a data, receiving a data. The data is not encrypted. So data is simply exposed to everyone. People can able to access the data. Means anybody attack on your network and they'll catches your packets, so they will know what is the data you are transmitting. HTTPS data is encrypted. You're trying to catch the packets. What are the someone is trying to catch the packets what is you are sending and receiving. Data is encrypted, so they cannot understand what is the data. Simple example: WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. End-to-end encryption. Somewhere in the starting it will tell now end-to-end encryption. What is end-to-end encryption? I can read the data. I can read the data and you can read the data. But while I'm transmitting, data is transmitting from my WhatsApp to the through network and it is receiving at you. But what are the in between? It is encrypted. I can see data, you can see data, but in middle person cannot able to read the data what is it contains. End-to-end encryption it is. SMTP POP3 IMAP version 4. Then have SMTP only one protocol for sending emails, but for I am having two protocols. Okay, I am having two protocols for retrieving emails. Then the question will come up, right? What is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? What is the both usages? Here point is I missed to explain this kind of stuff. Guys, HTTP, HTTPS. HTTPS, yes, means secure. So over SSL or TLS, the data is transmitting in here. Same way, port number 25, 110, 143, these are the base port numbers like a HTTP 80 port number. Over SSL or TLS, the port number is changes. Over SSL or TLS, the port number can be changes. Okay, so because POP3 over SSL 995 IMAP version 4 over SSL or TLS, it is 993. SMTP over SSL 587 over TLS, it is 485. Okay, so port number changes when you are transmitting data over SSL or TLS kind of stuff. Okay, yeah. So what is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? IMAP is like a copy paste, like a copy paste. POP3 is a cut paste, not exactly, just for a one single word explanation it is. Okay, just for a one single word explanation, we said POP3 is a cut paste, IMAP is a copy paste. Okay, but what is this IMAP and where we use IMAP? Okay, so server has a mails, right? Server having a mail. So server has a mail in mailbox, users mailbox. In the server, the mails are stored. Mails are stored. So you retrieve the mail, means you take the mail and read the mail, or you download the mail into your client PC. So your client PC and your server both are having a mail. Okay, if you download a mail into your client PC, so then it's like a copy paste, means your server has a copy, your client has a one copy of mail. Okay, mail not completely, this is not required, just I kept that line. Okay, so here point is not that one, so here it is. The point is it's a multiple and application support is there, means you can check the mails. So you are checking the mails from web browser. So you can check the mails using web browser. Still, you can able to see the mails. Maybe you download a mails through a, for example, Gmail app is there, na mobile phone app, or maybe Outlook application. Like a different mail clients you can access. Multiple mail client application support is there because main server having a mails and other mail clients also take the mails. It is store the mails into their pieces. Okay, I am telling you about Outlook guys, but you already having a knowledge on it. So how what knowledge you are having? Okay. Mail client applications support web browser, email applications, or different type of mail client applications are there. So point is, you already know what is mail client application because of you are checking mails in your mobile. In which one? So Gmail application, Gmail app is there. So in mobile application, you are checking mails from it also. Same concept. Okay, same concept. Okay. So multiple client applications support is there. Okay. So here it is. POP3 is a cut paste. What is this cut paste kind of concept? It is once you download a mail, once mail is downloaded into your local PC, means you are using a Outlook and you download a mails into your local PC or local devices, the mail will be removed. Okay. The mail will be removed from your server. Okay, it's a kind of single client application support. Single client application support means only one mail client application you can use it, either it is Gmail application or Outlook application or maybe any Thunderbolt application. So many applications are there, but popularity is for Outlook only. Okay, single client application type only. So where we use IMAP, where we use POP3, compulsory POP3 or optional POP3, where we will get it. In mail servers, okay. In mail server, very less mailbox size. In case, okay, in mail servers, very less mailbox sizes. Example, 50 MB, 100 MB, 200 MB, like this. Very small mailbox sizes. You know, your Gmail account, the mailbox size with all mobile kind of stuff. So we'll see 15 GB, 15 GB. Okay, 15 GB. Okay, so no problem. From where you access data, you don't need to store in local. So in mail server, you have a very less mailbox sizes. Then better to configure Outlook with POP3 and stuff. Better to configure your Outlook with a POP3. Of course, the server also support POP3. If server is supporting POP3, then only client will support POP3. Server is IMAP, client is POP3, won't work. Server client support is required. Okay, guys. So this is a IMAP version 4 and POP3. Okay. So POP3, why we need a POP3? Because sometimes the mail server, the mailbox sizes are smaller. Why mailbox servers is smaller? Why should we choose it? Please think once. Okay, my mailbox is 100 MB, for example. I'm getting a mail. So when I send a mail or I receive a mail, okay, when I send a mail or I receive a mail, so total mail information stored in this deleted mails, not permanently deleted. I will show you my deleted items. Still, these mails are there in my mailbox only. It just only folder changes. Okay, outbox or a drafts, it's a drafts, sent items, outbox, inbox, all these mails data stored in the mailboxes only, in the mailbox only. Now my mailbox is smaller. What happened? The mails are full, 100 MB full, 100 MB full. What to do? You can't get any new mails and you cannot send any mails also. You cannot send, you cannot receive any mails. So that's why better to use Outlook. In the Outlook, of course, your server also should configure for POP3. I'm using POP3 protocol to retrieve a mail. So mail will be loaded into your local PC. So where is the mails now? In your local PC. Mails are in your local PC. So whenever you download a mail into local PC, the mails will be deleted, means your mailbox is clear automatically. These are my videos only. Carefully look at my. What happened, Nisha Jabrani? Understand? Okay, no. So don't watch two parallel things. Both are my classes on. Okay, you will forget. You will get confused. Okay. So guys, once again, I'm telling in Outlook, when I download a mail to my Outlook, means into my local PC, the mails will be removed from my mailbox. From my mailbox means my mailbox is empty now. So when I receive a mail, so again I will put a one cursor. This is my mailbox. This is my Outlook. Okay, and my configuration is incoming is POP3. Incoming is POP3. Incoming is POP3. What is the protocol for outgoing? Outgoing.
SMTP.
Very good. SMTP. Okay. So my incoming is POP3. So here it is. I configure Outlook with POP3, right? So someone sent a mail to my mailbox. So mail came to mailbox and it is downloaded. When you connected to internet, so you will get a mail to your Outlook, right? So you download a mail into your Outlook. Then this mail will be removed. Okay. So like that, this mailbox does not store anything. Just it will receive a mail. You received someone send a mail. It go to your mailbox to Outlook. Once it is came into your Outlook, and it will remove from your mailbox. Of course, it is depends upon mail server configuration also. Mail server configuration. Sometimes some people configure keep a mail for 1 day, keep a mail for 5 days or maybe 14 days. Keep a mail for 14 days in the mail server. Okay, that kind of stuff is there. Coming to the IMAP, this is mailbox. This is mailbox. This is my one of the client, for example, web browser. I'm accessing my mails through web browser. Mails are here only. I'm using an Outlook application. I download a mail to my Outlook. Mails are in a mailbox as well as an Outlook. I'm having a Gmail app. I download a mail into my mobile phone. Mails available in my Gmail app as well as a mailbox. This is IMAP. So where IMAP version 4 is suitable, which is mailbox sizes are bigger mailbox sizes. 1 GB, 2 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB, like this. I showed Gmail. Gmail it is 15 GB. You know, my Outlook, my company mail Outlook, I will show you that one. It is 59.5 GB, 59.5 GB. We are getting 50 GB only because it is customized. Okay. So your it is suitable big size mailbox. Okay, like a 10 GB, 20 GB, 30 GB. Example, Gmail 15 GB. Literally, if you don't have Outlook, then also no problem. Okay, so this is about your POP3, IMAP, and their port numbers and SMTP. So what is the Outlook and means why we are using a Outlook kind of application or a Outlook kind of stuff. Okay, to understand that one, guys, you should understand how we are accessing mails. So how we are accessing mails, already told. One is like a web browser or a we can also use other things. Guys, understand up to here difference between POP3 and IMAP?
Yes, sir.
Remember the port numbers also, guys. Protocols, port numbers is a very good subject, guys. Anytime you are anything, even not even direct networking, somewhat related to networking, servers, applications like Exchange servers or maybe database servers, protocols port numbers are very useful. Difference between certain protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, very useful. These are a very basic okay, it's okay. I'm talking about simple thing, accessing mails. Two ways we are accessing. First way I'm writing here. So what is the most common way of accessing mails? Using web browser. I'm talking only in a manner of IP version, sorry, IMAP only. Okay, so it's not about a protocol, guys. The way of your accessing mails, just we are discussing what is the good thing, bad things. Also we'll see it. Okay, one is web browser, common way of accessing. Earlier days is web browser. Nowadays people are using a mobile apps, but mostly it is web browser is more easy to access. Okay, so this way you can access mails from anywhere, right? Anywhere, any device, anytime, to internet. You can access your mails from anywhere, anytime, any device. For example, your laptop or desktop is not working, or maybe internet is not working. You can go to internet center, you can access your mails. Your system is not Windows system, you are using Linux system. So there is a Linux related Firefox browser is there. You can access from it also. Okay. Okay. So just you need an internet connection to access the mails. Okay. Next, compulsory need internet to read mails or to send mails to send a mails, to receive a mails, or to read the mails. Means you need a compulsory internet. Without internet, you can't access, right? Gmail is there. You can access with the web browser from anywhere, anytime, anything. But we need a internet. No internet, we cannot access. Okay, that one point. Okay. If in any case mailbox is smaller, so you have to delete all the mails. That's POP3 kind of stuff. Just I'm adding that one. If mailbox size is smaller, it will full. Once mailbox is full, you cannot send or receive new mails. So you have to delete older and unimportant mails. Okay, that is the point here. So what is the use? First both negative. Second way of accessing mails. Second way of accessing mails. Why it is just keep changing this? What is the second way of mails? Using mail client applications like Outlook. Using mail client applications like Outlook. So you can access mails from Outlook. So mail client application. You can access means you can send and receive mails from Outlook. That is good, but not from anywhere, any device kind of stuff. Okay. You can read mails anytime, downloaded mails anytime with or without net. With or without internet. Okay, with or without internet. Next, to send or receive new mails need internet. To send or receive a new mails, we need a internet. Okay. Because because mails are downloaded into local device or PC. We are using mobile phone also, that's why I said device. Okay, to send or receive a new mails, we need a internet. If it is POP3, if you are using POP3 for mail retrieving or receiving mails downloaded into local PC, okay, or device, and delete from mails only available in local PC. We cannot access from anywhere we have to access from local PC. We cannot access from anywhere, means from some browser, some other devices, we can't access. Can't access. Okay, so where is your mail? Mail is in your local PC. It is not there in your mailbox. Okay, so you want to access your mails from different devices. It is not there, so you can't access. Waste. Okay, nothing, you will get empty. You have a web browser, you want to access the mails. What you will get it? Nothing. Because your mails actually downloaded here and removed from there. Okay, that's what I'm trying to type here. Need to take backup regularly need to take backup regularly. Okay, and store in different device. In case of why we should take a backup regularly, why we should be because if in case of mm, your local device or PC stop working or data corrupted, something down, kind of stuff happens, you need that mail data. Guys, your mails may not be having more importance, but while you are working in an organization, your mails has their own importance. Okay, so compulsory maintain backup. In case that is POP3 type of communication, compulsory you have to store backup. Okay. Guys, understand use of Outlook and use of POP3, IMAP kind of stuff.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two more points are there, guys. Two more points are there. This is Outlook data formats. Outlook data format. So you are having an Outlook and you download a mails into your local PC. Okay. So you have a mails. The mails are downloaded into local PC. Okay. So if it is a text file, .txt will be there. It is an Excel file, .xls, .csv, like that. Some extension is there now for a file. So same thing for your Outlook data files having an extension .pst or .ost. When you will get a .ost, when you will get a .ost offline storage table. The mail server is your mail server is Microsoft mail server. Your mail server is Microsoft mail server. You will get a .ost. Okay. Your file name we will get a .ost. If your mail server is other than Microsoft, you download a mails using a POP3 or IMAP. So then it is okay. So POP3 type IMAP like Zimbra mail server or Dovecot mail server, Postfix mail server, different mail servers it is there. So your Outlook data file format is .pst. PST means personal storage table, OST means offline storage table. So your mail server is Microsoft.ost. Mail server is other than Microsoft.pst. I'll try to show you few points, guys. Try to remember things. This is my information, accounts, account settings. So this is the data file location. This is my data file. Open file location. See, this is my .pst Outlook data file. So in this file, all my mails, what are the mails I received till now into my Outlook, that is the data stores in this file. The file actually is .ost because of my mail server is Microsoft 365 Exchange. Exchange mail server only. Okay, that is the point. If it is .pst, it is other than mails. But for while you are taking a backup, it may shows differently. Before going to take a backup, guys, I will show you the options for how to create a mail kind of stuff. It won't work now because Gmail changes certain things. Okay, so for example, I want to add one more mail account, so then I went to the new account. It is searching for a new account and advanced options. Let me set up my account manually. It is asking direct user account kind of stuff. Now I don't have it, so I need to connect. Just I'm trying to connect it. Okay. Now it is showing options. Here is your mail server is Exchange or Google related or Office 365 related, Exchange 2013 or older related, or you want to configure with a POP3 IMAP kind of configuration you want it. For example, I select a POP3, it is showing server, incoming server, outgoing server means SMTP server, incoming POP3 server it is. If you want an encryption, so compulsory encryption is required. So you can understand the port numbers also should be changes. Not this one, this one. Yeah, this is one way. This is IMAP. IMAP again, it is 143 port number, SSL or TLS. Okay. Port number will be changes. Give information, then you can configure remaining things. Actually, this is also not required. We change some interfaces for that one. See, it is your account or you want to set up manually. I select manual. It is asking, is your account Microsoft account or Microsoft 365 account? Give your account and later it will ask a password and you will connect it. If in case your mail server is not Office 365 or a Microsoft related, it's like a maybe Gmail related, then go for a POP3 or IMAP kind of stuff. Okay, so here POP3. So if you select POP3, then everything POP3 related data incoming, POP3 related SMTP things and all. If it is IMAP related, then again, okay, SMTP and IMAP related server name. I'm not doing the guide, guys. So for every branch I can't do it. Okay. So these are the configuration thing and output. I said we should take a backup regularly, right? So how to take a backup? Very simple. Go to File, open Exports, Import and Export. Export means you backup kind of stuff. So I select Export to a file. Okay, the file name can be a PST file. Okay, so select what are the boxes you want to do it, all boxes or only one box. See this is the location. You have to define which location you want to store your backup. If you want to replace duplicates, Means you already yesterday you taken a backup. Today you are taking backup again. So I don't need to keep all my backups, everyday backups. I don't want to maintain. So what I will do, I replace my old backup and use a kept a new backup files only. Someone is asking a question? Okay. You want to allow them duplicate wise or do not export duplicate items kind of stuff. Okay, so if you click finish, your backup will be start and completed. Guys, these are the few things about your Outlook. And in this PPT, some environment things also there, how to create, how to put all these things kind of stuff. It won't work now. Why? Because of there are changed certain things. Find out what is the difference between two CCC, BCC. Next, mail rules. Create a rule. Manage rules and alerts. Write a rule, guys. This is also one part. Mail rules. What is this mail rules? I am receiving lot of mails. Sometimes birthday notifications, events, congratulations, this kind of stuff. HR related mails. Okay. Some are very important, compulsory you have to check it. Some are okay to check it. Okay. But every mail is came to your mailbox only. But when you are receiving to your Outlook, you can keep certain kind of mails into separate folders. For example, they mention in the subject happy birthday to one of our colleagues. So what happened? The mail directly go to that happy birthday folder because it is very important is not there, right? Very important or very important is your main mails kind of stuff, work related, something like that. Okay, so I created these folders: happy birthday, events, H1B, HR, ilog, like this. Okay, so this is one of the rule kind of stuff. Again, go to rules, manage rules and alerts, which already created. You want to create your own rule, also you can create it. I created one more rule, that is it will make a certain sound if you received a new mail. Okay, when you receive a mail, it will give some kind of notification. So that is okay. Okay. So how I created this happy birthday kind of stuff, stay organized option. How I'm getting an alert, stay up to date kind of stuff. Okay, mail rules wizard. Mail rules also very important just to know. Signature, calendar, how to define meeting things into the calendar part. Okay, so for example, I have a meeting in the next day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So ours is 7th, so I don't have a meeting. Maybe may not be changes, but can see here is a meeting. Okay, so when is my meeting? When is my next meeting? Kind of stuff or to-do list preparation. These are all useful with the calendars. Pendings, follow-ups. We can put it there. Backup troubleshooting. Okay, guys, issues are common. Okay, issues are common, but if you understand what is happening, then you can able to troubleshoot it. Unable to send, receive or receive a mails. Outlook application is not working. Example, I open my Outlook application, it's closing automatically. It's closing automatically. Or I try to work with my application, just I try to open one mail. It is got stuck there. Okay, it is got stuck there. I try to open a mail. Okay, it got stuck. It is not showing anything. Okay, so app crashing, this kind of stuff comes under application related issues, not related to any mail communication. So if any application related issue, guys, what we will do it, we'll try to go to AppWiz, means programs and features. Go to an application, right click, either uninstall and reinstall, or maybe we go to repair. Go to repair part. Okay, so it is a purely application problem, not a it's an application issue. Repair. Okay, so what to do? Go to programs and feature. So application or uninstall, restart. Application related issues. Then what is this issue? Unable to send and receive mails. The application is good. Okay, first check internet is working or not. Check the internet. Check the configuration. Outlook. Configuration of Outlook. Unique changes in password. Configuration of Outlook. Any changes in password. Any password changes happens. Check it. Okay, server side configuration column. Firewall is blocking. Firewall is blocking. Internet is working, but mail communication related firewall blocking can be possible. One more is we can do, guys, that is sign out or log out. On your device or PC. Again. It can be resolve your issues. Guys, understand what we can able to do. if you are getting certain issues. In this PPT, I try to install Outlook. I configuring Outlook.
Hello.
But all our options, everything is correct, only it is not configured because of there is an issue with it. And also there is a certain pictures you can see. This is for a importing exporting kind of concept. This is overall Outlook, guys. Important is what is an Outlook, what is the use of Outlook, what are the protocols and their port numbers, what are the protocols and what is their port number, what is use of these protocols. Okay, that is the main thing. Next one is PST, OST. What is those files?
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, if my team application is not working, it's showing something error occur. Try again. So should I repair from the Microsoft Office?
Which one again? Tell me.
Team application is showing error, sir, while I open that application.
Microsoft Teams.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you can usually join from browser. Otherwise, if it is application, you can better sign out once from your PC and try to get it. But still, you are getting same issue every day. What to do? Go to app where's array. Go to control panel, programs and features. There you can find where is your Microsoft Office. Mine is Office 365. Right click, change. Okay, don't go to quick repair, guys. Online repair. It will take 30 minutes to 1 hour time, but it is a better solution. Okay.
After going on Microsoft Team, right?
Microsoft Teams are installed separately, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So then you can right click. So don't choose uninstall, choose change.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so guys, take a break. So once after break, we'll discuss about VPN first, then we will see.